Learnomate Technologies is going to start the new Oracle GoldenGate training. This will be completely real-time practical-based training. You know that we already have a 17,000 plus Oracle DBA followers are there, and which is the biggest count in terms of Oracle DBA followers compared to the any YouTube channel. So we are going to start our completely real-time practical-based training related to the GoldenGate from tomorrow. Those people who are interested to join this training, they can reach out to us. Our contact details are available in the description of this video. So GoldenGate is a technology which is widely used to migrate your data from one database to another database or heterogeneous database also. If you are mentioning GoldenGate technology into your resume, there is a very high chances that your resume will be shortlisted and you can expect a very good package compared to the other candidates. So if you want to show yourself something different from the other, start learning this technology and reach out to us for the training.